All right, guys, welcome back. We're back here for Ferrari Friday. We're checking in with Wade, who's been working on the 355. He's going to walk us through where he is in the service and kind of what he's doing.
Morning. We have our 355 engine out. We've dropped it down. We've looked at a few things, taken the front cover off. One of the things we notice is we have a bad bearing. That'll get replaced. A little bit noisy. We're also looking at the belt tension. This one's pretty good. You can see this one has a little bit of flop in it. So get a new tensioner here because this one's not holding. Again, you want to look at the water pump. Feels good, nothing's shaking. Power steering pump looks good. Grooves look good, nothing's in the grooves. Bearings feel good. Walk around this side, this one have aftermarket headers on it. Nice coating on them, little shield, that's in place. Make sure that's good. We'll get a rub there, we may take care of that. Looking around the back. This is one, we're going to be doing axle boots on this one. Everything else looks good. No real major issues here. We'll get it all cleaned up.
And you kind of mentioned last week we were talking about those CV boots, right?
Right. If you can see, there's a. That one looks pretty good. Let's see if this one over here works. You can't really see it in there. It's dark.
Oh yeah.
When we have the axles out, we'll do another one and show you how bad they get. How we're gonna fix that.
Awesome. So you took this all the way out of the Ferrari. Can you walk us over to that and show us what that looks like?
Well, this is the gap where it should go.
Oh wow.
Bolts in here and here. Bolts in the top, bolts in the back. We literally just set everything down after we unbolt all of the wires and hoses.
You ever get nervous about doing these and missing anything, or do you have a way that you keep track of everything?
Don't really get nervous, and we have some bins. We have one cart. That cart holds all that stuff, so if there's anything left on that cart when I'm done, I forgot about it. So you usually, after you've been doing it for so many years, you know the process and you know where to go and which one to do before this, so you don't have to go back and do something again. So no, I don't really get nervous about it.
Awesome, man.
The first one, yes. This one, I'm pretty good with it.
How many would you say you've done?
I have no idea.
More than you could count.
I did the first one 22 years ago, so there's been a lot.
Wow.
Because it was a 348. So, yeah.
Awesome. So, guys, another Ferrari Friday. We're just walking you through our progress. This one's getting delivered to a customer very soon. Wade has it well under control, as you can see. Engine's out, looking good, and he's going to repair everything that needs to be replaced. Thank you so much, Wade, for your time. We'll check in with you next week, see where we land.